Today we will start new chapter. Subject is chemistry. According to old NCERT, this chapter name is structure of atom. According to now NCERT is changed. So according to new NCERT, the name is changed. His name is journey inside the atom. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Now today we will discuss about introduction of atom. See, suppose that this is an atom. Inside the atom, suppose that um, yes, listen. Suppose that this is an atom. We know that inside the atom, this is a nucleus, right?
Yes.
Around the nucleus, it is a orbit. Even we can say that it is cell, right? Is there any doubt?
No.
No.
Oh.
Very good. Uh, Inside the nucleus, there is present proton plus neutron. Outside the nucleus, or electron are revolving on the orbit. So we say that inside the nucleus there is proton and neutron. This is the electron. Now we know that proton has positive charge, electron has negative, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me which force exerted between proton and electron? Can you tell me which force exerted between proton and neutron?
They're opposing forces, right?
Which force?
They're opposing forces, right?
No, 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 no. This force name is electrostatic force.
Mhm.
Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force are those forces which act between two charges. right?
Yes.
Electro- Electrostatic force means the force which act between two charges is called electrostatic force. This force is weak in nature. This force is weak in nature. Weak in nature. Can you tell me which force exerted between proton and neutron? Yes. Can you tell me which force exerted between proton and neutron?
There is no force.
Isn't it nuclear force?
Very good. It is nuclear force. It is nuclear force. Remember that inside the nucleus there is a force which name is nuclear force which bind proton with neutron, right? It is a strong force, or we say that strong in nature. Can you tell me why the electron are lose their orbit, but why proton do not lose the nucleus?
Is it because the electrostatic force is weaker, so they stay further apart?
Very good. Because the force exerted between proton and neutron, which is weak in nature, that's why electron is always lose their orbit or lose their cell. But the nuclear force is very strong force. That's why proton or neutron are binded with the nuclear force. It doesn't mean proton never lose the electron. We give the high energy at that condition only proton can lose, right?
Yeah.
Good. Is there any doubt regarding this page?
No.
Very good.
No. No.
Very good. Now we know that inside the atom, we know that we know that inside the atom, inside the atom, proton and electron value are same, right?
Yeah.
How can you tell me how we can say that a body has negatively charged or air or a body has positively charged? Yes, tell me. Suppose that there is two body.
Sir,
Yes,
is it when, like, since electrons can be lost, is it negative when there's equal amount of electrons to protons and positive when there's not?
sorry, I can't understand.
So when the atom loses some of its electrons, does it become positive? And if it keeps all of its electrons, it's negative?
Right. Listen, we can say that if the body has number of proton is greater than number of electron, it means body has positive charge. Body has positive charge. When number of proton is greater than number of electron lose their orbit. Electron lose their orbit. Lose their orbit. Right? When we say that number of electron is greater than number of proton, it means body has negatively charged.
Wait, sir.
Yes.
So for the atom that is has more positively charged particles, would that be a cation? And then would the negatively charged atom be a anion?
I will discuss later what is anion and what is cation. Right?
Mm.
Now, suppose that this is a body which are neutral. It means number of proton is equal to number of electron. If the value of number of proton and the value of number of electrons are equal, then we can say body has neutral. Remember one thing, when we say body is neutral, it doesn't it doesn't mean that body has no charge. Even when a body has neutral, it body always contains some charges. Sir, how can body have charges? Listen, when we say that the body is neutral, it means there is number of proton and the number of electron values are present, but are in same amount but different sign, right? For example, we have 5 proton. We know that proton has positive charge, right?
Yes.
And we have 5 electron. If we add these two values, plus 5 and minus 5, it becomes 0, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
It means the net charge is 0. The net charge is 0. Sir, what is mean by net charge? Net charge means the sum of the proton value and the electron value becomes 0 is called net charge. But body now also containing charge because it containing charge 5 proton and 5 electron which cancel out with opposite sign. Right? Now I think you clear what is mean by net charge.
Yes.
Is there any doubt regarding this?
No.
Very good.
No.
Isn't it clear what is nuclear force and what is right electrostatic force? What is orbit and nucleus proton? This part is clear now.
Yeah.
Very good. This page is clear or not?
Yeah.
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 Very good. Now, listen. Proton. Just wait. Now, proton, electron, and neutron. Property. First, we discussed about charge. Proton has positive charge. In short, I will write plus VE. Electron has negative charge. In short, I will write minus VE. And electron has zero charge. Next, mass mass of proton. Even you can write here value of charge also. Positive charge means proton have plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Right? Electron are negatively charged 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now, we discuss about mass. Mass of proton is 1.672 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Right?
Wait, sir, I didn't in at least my school they taught electron as having no mass because its mass is like very very small.
No,
So
no,
will
no.
we be using this mass or?
No, no. Electron have mass.
No, I'm not saying it does not have mass, but in school they taught that since electron has very small mass, smaller than proton and neutron, it's
Yes.
insignificant and so we don't need to use electron's mass. Yeah.
Yes, he can see he or she is telling you electron is very small than proton and neutron. So, but we write the mass which is this 9.1 and 10 to the power minus 31 kg. But in the numerical or the in the any other section where there is no use of Generally, we do not use their masses, but you remember that what the mass value of the electron. Isn't it clear? Even
Okay.
according to NCERT, you have to learn the mass, and if we need, then you have to write the mass.
Okay. One more question, sir.
Yes.
Um, before you said that, in an atom, if the positive and negative charges cancel out, it still has a charge. How does that work? I don't understand.
Listen, suppose that this is a uh, suppose that this is a body, right?
Mm-hmm.
We have electron minus indicating electron, right?
Mm-hmm.
Plus indicating proton.
Mm-hmm.
The numerical value of these is neutral, right? Because
Yeah.
these are cancelling. But inside the nucleus or what inside the atom, there is present charge or not.
Yes.
That's why I'm saying even a neutral body has containing a charge, but net charge is zero. It doesn't mean the body do not containing charge. Even when we say, suppose that we have a neutral body, the neutral body is also a containing charge. Suppose that if we take here charge body, suppose that this is a rod has containing a charge, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is containing positive charge. Then the negative charge are separating on the surface here,
Mm-hmm.
and positive charge are separating on the surface here.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we say why even neutral body has containing a charge. Net charge means the numerical value become a zero. It doesn't mean the charge to inside the charge of atom does not have.
So basically, you're saying that the neutral atom
Yes.
has a charge, but its total charge is zero.
Yes.
What would its charge be then, though?
Sorry.
If the net charge is zero, then what would the charge be? Like, would it be an anion or a cation?
Net charge zero, it means it's well, if numerically value is zero, then we send its body is neutrally charged or neutral. Are you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Is there any doubt? You can
No.
ask.
No, no.
Very good. Now, the mass of neutron is 1.674 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now, uh, listen. What is relative charge? You know what is relative charge?
No. Mm.
Anybody know what is the relative charge?
No.
Okay.
So is it just like protons, the relative charge is 1, neutrons 0, and electrons -1?
Yes, Rela-
Okay.
re- relative charge. Listen, we have the value of charge, even electron, even proton, their magnitude. I am only saying magnitude, not I am telling about sign. Suppose that this is a charge 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, right?
Mm.
We know that electron is the fundamental unit, fundamental charge, right?
Mhm.
So we know that this is a fundamental value. Now we can say the if it is fundamental value, so we can say this is uh, +1 for indicating proton value, -1 is indicating for electron value, neutral for 0, right?
Yeah.
Arthana and Mai, is there any doubt?
Can you explain one more time how you got 1.6 times
Listen,
1093?
really, we know that charge of proton and charge of electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. We
Mm-hmm.
know that this is a fundamental charge.
Mm-hmm.
So we can say that this is a relative charge. Relative charge. According to proton, it has +1. According to electron, it has -1. And according to uh, n- neutron is 0. Why we write +1? Because proton has positive charge, right?
Yeah.
Is there any doubt now, Mike?
No.
Very good. Now we discuss about what is ion. What is ion? Can you tell me what is ion?
Ion is a positively or negatively charged atom.
Very good. If a body has positive charge, yeah, if body contain positive charge, so tell me that body has cation or anion.
If it is positive, it is cation. If it is negative, it is anion.
Very good. So we can say that anion. So we just say that ions further can be divided into two parts, which is cation and anion, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cation contain positive charge and
Mm-hmm.
it contain negative charge.
Mm-hmm. Wait, question, sir. Are we going to be talking about isotopes?
Yes, we discuss about isotope, isovar, isotone, and isoelectronic species, but later.
Okay.
Listen, when we say if a body has positive charge, remember one thing always. If body has positive charge, it means it lose it lose the electron, right?
Mm-hmm.
If body is negatively charged, it means it lose, sorry, it gain,
Mm-hmm.
it gain the
Yeah.
electron. Is there doubt any regarding this topic?
No.
No.
Very good. Even we can say number of proton is greater than number of electron.
Yes.
Here, even we say that number of electron is greater than number of proton. Isn't it clear?
Yeah.
Now, there is a question. Suppose that uh, there is a body, there are two body. Suppose that if a body atom, lose, lose of electron, its body gain of electron, then tell me what the mass is affected or not, and mass will affected or not. Yeah, even we say that mass is increasing or decreasing. Mass is increasing or decreasing, and the body get which type of charge? There, Q represent charging. Represent charge. Now tell me, in first case, electron is loose. In second case, electron is gain. So, what about mass and charge? Can you tell me?
The mass will be affected, right?
Yes.
No, I mean, technically it will, but not really.
Unless you're not counting the mass of the electrons, it will, right?
Yeah, but that depends on the problem, right, sir?
Sorry.
In the problem, if it says to count the electron, then you will count it. But if it doesn't say anything about counting the electron, do you still count the electron or do you not?
I'm saying we are not counting the electron. I'm saying suppose that the electron lose their atom. Suppose that the electron lose their atom. So mass will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Very good.
Decrease.
Mass will decrease because we know that the value of the mass of electron is 1.9, 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Suppose that this is a weighing machine. There are four students A, B, C, D
Sir, what does Q stand for?
charge. Suppose that the mass of total student 4 is 100 kg, right? If if I remove one student from weighing machine, so mass will increase or decrease? Yes. Hello?
Decrease.
Decrease.
If
Why it is decrease? Because whenever we body lose their electron, it means even we know that every body contain mass, right?
yeah.
If a body has a mass and the electron lose their atom, it means mass is also losing their body. Means mass will decrease. If mass decrease, the body contain positive charge, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
In this case, in second case, mass is increases. It means body is containing negatively charged, right?
Yes.
Very good. Now we further discuss about ion. We know that there are two types of ion, cation and anion, right? Suppose that I have a atom. If we convert into ion, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me, is there mass will affect or not? Yeah, tell me, mass will increase or decrease? Yeah, size will increase or decrease? Size, mass will we increase or decrease? Yes, tell me, Mithun. Artana? Why?
For you talking about cation or anion?
Yes. If we suppose that there is a suppose that this is an atom and atom convert into ion. If atom is converted into ion, maybe it's cation or maybe it will ion, right?
Yeah, so if it is cation, then there are more protons. That means the mass will decrease, and if it is anion, then the mass will increase because there are more electrons.
What about size?
Size will also increase.
Yes, Mithun. Can you tell me?
Yeah, size, cations are less in size and anions are larger in size, right?
Always.